Hey there and welcome to this new feature movie about OptiTUIO. In this new release of OptiTUIO we introduce a new feature and we call it the areas. In these areas you basically can create excluding touch areas or including touch areas. Let's say you have a large installation, you have a large projection wall or a large LED wall in the center or somewhere in the middle or somewhere in the area of that LED wall is a door. In the previous versions, every time persons walking through that door, OptiTUIO will also recognize these persons and will create a touch point. With this new feature, areas, you can basically then create an excluding touch area over that door, and OptiTUIO will then know that over the excluding touch areas, OptiTUIO should not create any touch point. So let's fast forward a normal setup here. So, and as you can see now, if I walk into the screen and I will touch the screen, then OptiTUIO will create touch points everywhere. So the setup here is exactly the same like in the previous versions. So now let's say here in the center of this screen, we have somewhere a door, somewhere here we have a door. We don't want that anything or any person or anything in that area is recognized as a touch point. So let's go to our areas here. And let's add the area and we give it the type exclude. And then you have basically very simple setup. You make the measurement of the door in that case. Let's say that door is, in that case, I just have a smaller area. Let's make it 250 by 400. Exactly. Let's say this is our door. Then you can offset it. Let's say the door is somewhere in the center of your screen, right? All right. Let's also make it a bit bigger. Wider. Now let me walk again into the screen. So as you can see, OptiTUIO is recognizing touch points or creating touch points everywhere in the green area, but it's not creating touch points in that red area. Exactly the same you can do with the including area. Depending on your setup, you are very flexible here now to create very complex interactive areas. That's it for today. Thank you and bye-bye.